Hello everyone, my name is Samruddhi Milgiri. Today we are going to learn about what is algorithm, its characteristics and flowchart. So let's start. First is definition. An, an algorithm is step-by-step instruction of solution to a problem. So let's begin with the basic concept. An algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solve a particular problem. Think of it like recipe in cooking. It gives you exact instruction on what to do in which order. For example, if you are told to make tea, an algorithm might say first boil water, second step is add tea leaves, third step is add sugar and milk, fourth step is strain the tea, and fifth is serve. So next is characteristics of an algorithm. And first is first is it is unambiguous, means every step should be clear and leave no room for confusion. If it says boil water, it must mention how much and how long. Second is input. That means every algorithm starts with input, the initial data. For example, when calculating the area of circle, the radius is the input. Third characteristic is output. The algorithm must produce a result in our circle. In our circle example, the area would be the output. Fourth characteristic is finiteness. It should go on forever. The steps must complete in a limited time. Fifth is feasibility. It should go on forever. The step must complete in a limited time. Sixth is independent. Uh, Sixth is independent. Algorithms are not tied to a specific language. You can write them in Python, Java, or even even plain English. Algorithms are language independent and can be used in any programming language. So next is flowcharts and its key components. So first let's start with definition. Visually represent the sequence. Flowchart means visually represent the sequence of steps and decisions to solve a problem or process. Means a flowchart is the visual tool that shows the flow of an algorithm using symbols. It's great because you can see all the steps at a glance, including decision and loops. So let's start key components of flowchart. First is start. Uh, First is start and stop. In it indicate it is also called as terminal symbol used to indicate start or stop. Uh, it indicate means it indicates where the process begins or ends, usually shown with an oval. Second is input output, represent uh, used to show it is used to show inputs like user data or outputs like display result represented with a shape of parallelogram. Next is process. It represents operations like addition or subtraction, means any operation like adding two numbers is shown with the shape rectangle. Next is connector, links flowchart parts across different points, means it is used when your flowchart is too long, connects different parts. Next is shows the order of instruction, execution or direction of flow, means arrow that shows the direction in which steps are executed. Next is uh, hexagonal looping, means it represents preparatory steps or loops, for example repeating a task 10 times. Next is a decision. represents a decision making steps used for yes no or true false condition. It decided which path to take next. So this is it's all about definition of algorithm and flowcharts with example. So to sum up, an algorithm is like the brain of the solution. It plans what to do step by step. A flowchart is the face. It helps us visualize the steps clearly. Together, they form a strong foundation in programming and problem solving. Thank you for watching.